Good morning students. Today we learn about cloud computing. What are clouds? Clouds are refers to the collection of servers, and in modern days the cloud refers to internet. Cloud computing provides us a means by which we can access the applications as utilities over the internet. It allows us to create, configure and customize applications online. With cloud computing, users can access database resources via the internet from anywhere for as long as they need without worrying about any maintenance or management of actual resources. What is cloud? The term cloud refers to the network or internet. In other words, we can say that cloud is something which is present at remote location. Clouds can provide services over network, that is on public networks or on private networks, that is WAN, LAN or VPNs. Applications such as email, web conferencing, CRMs, customer relationship management all run in cloud. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing refers to manipulating, configuring and accessing the applications online. It offers online data storage, infrastructure and application. Cloud computing is both a combination of software and hardware based computing resources delivered as a network service. Cloud computing architecture. See, we have a server एप्लीकेशन है, स्टोरेज है, ठीक है, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है एंड फोन, सेल फोन्स, पीसीज आर कनेक्टेड विद दिस. This is an example of how it's a cloud computing architecture. In cloud computing architectures, servers, virtual desktops, softwares, applications, storage data, all connected to a network device, and through that network device end users are using. Basic concepts of cloud computing. There are certain services and models working behind the scene, making the cloud computing feasible and accessible to end users. Following are the working models for cloud computing. First is deployment model and second is service model. First, deployment model. Deployment model defines the type of access to the cloud. That is how the cloud is located. Cloud can have any of the four types of accesses: public, private, hybrid and community. So this is we can divide a cloud computing on the basis of the deployment. First is public clouds. Public clouds allow systems and services to be easily accessible to the general public. For example, email. Then we have private clouds. The private clouds allow systems and services to be accessible within an organization. Next, community cloud. The community cloud allows systems and services to be accessible by the group of organization. And next is hybrid cloud. The hybrid cloud is a mixture of public and private clouds. However, the critical activities are performed using private cloud, while the non-critical activities are performed using public cloud. Now, on the basis of service model, the first is, what is service model? Service models are the reference models on which the cloud computing is based. These can be categorized into three basic services models as listed below. First is IaaS, infrastructure as a service. Second is platform as a service, and third is software as a service. First is infrastructure as a service. IaaS is the delivery of technology infrastructure as an on-demand scalable services. IaaS provides access to fundamental resources such as physical machines, virtual storage, etc. Usually boiled usually built based on usage, and usually multi-tenant virtualized environment can be coupled with managed services for OS and application software. As examples are Amazon EC2, Windows Azure, etc. Telemark, AT&T, Blizzard's Entity Communication, OP Source. Platform as a service. Next is PaaS or platform as a service. PaaS provides the runtime environment for applications, development and deployment tools, etc. PaaS provides all the facilities required to support the complete life cycle of building and delivering web applications and services entirely from the internet. Typically, applications must be developed with a particular platform in mind. Multi-tenant environment, highly scalable, multi-tier architecture. Past examples are Amazon Web Services, Azure, Joinint, Rockspace, 3Tera, etc. Then we have software as a service, SaaS. SaaS model allow to use software applications as a service to end users. SaaS is a software delivery methodology that provides licensed multi-tenant access to software and its functions remotely as a web-based services. Build are usually based on usage and multi-tenant environment, highly scalable architecture. SaaS examples are Facebook, Google App, Microsoft Office 365, NetSuite, etc. Advantages of cloud computing. First is lower computer cost, improved performance, reduced software cost, instant software updates, improved document format, unlimited storage capacity, increased data reliability, universal document access, latest version availability, easier group collaboration, device independence. And the disadvantages of cloud computing are requires a constant internet connection. Second, does not work well with low speed connections. Features might be limited, can be slow, store data can be lost, and store data might not be secure. This is all about the cloud computing. Thank you.